What if Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 series could completely transform the way we think about smartphones? As anticipation builds, the buzz around this new line is filled with hints of remarkable upgrades. One of the most talked about innovations is Samsung's potential use of their latest LPDDR5X memory chips, setting the stage for a leap in mobile performance that could redefine the user experience. Traditionally, Samsung has been known to use its own memory and storage chips in its flagship devices, but the strategy for the Galaxy S25 might be shifting. Reports suggest that while many units in the initial production phase will include memory chips from external manufacturers, a select few could feature Samsung's own improved in-house technology. This shift could mark a significant step forward in how Samsung balances performance and production efficiency. The excitement centers around the LPDDR5X DRAM chips, rumored to be part of some Galaxy S25 units. These chips are expected to be built on a more advanced 12-nanometer process node, a step up from the 13-nanometer process used in the Galaxy S24 series. What does this mean for users? A smaller process node can enhance power efficiency and space usage, leading to a smoother, more energy-conscious experience. The new chips could offer users faster speeds, improved multitasking capabilities, and longer battery life. Getting to this point has not been without its hurdles. Initially, Samsung encountered some production challenges with the 12-nanometer process, which delayed the mass production schedule. However, those issues seem to have been resolved, and Samsung is now on track to ramp up production. This progress could allow Samsung to gain a stronger foothold in the DRAM chip market, potentially surpassing rivals like Micron in later production phases. In addition to these memory improvements, the Galaxy S25 series is expected to come equipped with Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite chip across all models. Samsung initially planned to use its Exynos 2500 chip in some variants, but due to lower production yields, the company has opted for Qualcomm's chips to ensure consistent performance. This decision underscores Samsung's commitment to providing a top-tier experience for all users without compromising on quality. When it comes to memory and storage, the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus are rumored to offer 12 gigabytes of RAM across all storage options. The Ultra model is anticipated to take it a notch higher, with 12 gigabytes of RAM in the 256 gigabyte variant and a substantial 16 gigabytes of RAM in the 512 gigabyte and 1 terabyte versions. All models are expected to include Universal Flash Storage 4.0, which promises faster data transfer rates and enhanced overall performance, making them some of the most powerful smartphones on the market. As we await the official announcement of the Galaxy S25 series, one thing is evident. Samsung is not just making minor upgrades. The integration of advanced LPDDR5X memory chips, a refined production process, and robust internal components point to a smartphone that could set new benchmarks in the industry. Are you ready to see what the future holds with Samsung's next flagship? The Galaxy S25 series is shaping up to be a significant release, bringing cutting-edge technology and innovation to your fingertips. Stay tuned for more updates, and if you are excited about what's coming, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep up with the latest in tech. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.
Selling your old smartphone can often feel like a tedious task, but Samsung is introducing a solution to simplify this process for users in South Korea. The newly launched Galaxy Easy Compensation Program is a game changer, allowing users to sell their old Galaxy smartphones directly through Samsung's website without the usual requirement of buying a new device. This innovative initiative aims to make the experience straightforward and hassle-free for Galaxy users. Launching on January 14, 2025, the Galaxy Easy Compensation Program is set to revolutionize the way people trade in their old phones. Traditionally, selling a smartphone to a manufacturer or retailer comes with the expectation of purchasing a new one. Samsung's program eliminates this requirement, offering users the flexibility to sell their phones without any obligation to make another purchase. This approach caters perfectly to those who wish to declutter their gadgets and earn some money without committing to a new device. The process is remarkably simple. Users interested in selling your old Galaxy phones can visit Samsung's official website to get an estimate of their device's value. If they choose to proceed, they can ship their phone to Samsung using a courier service, Upon receiving the phone, Samsung assesses its condition and classifies it into one of three categories: excellent, good, or recycle. Depending on the category, users will receive compensation that reflects the phone's condition. This transparent grading system ensures that sellers get a fair and honest deal for their devices. The program is comprehensive, covering a wide range of Galaxy models. This includes popular series such as the Galaxy S20, Galaxy S21, Galaxy S22, and the latest Galaxy S23. It also extends to Samsung's foldable models, including the Galaxy Z Flip 3, Z Flip 4, Z Flip 5, Galaxy Z Fold 3, Z Fold 4, and Z Fold 5. By encompassing these models, Samsung ensures that a broad spectrum of users can take advantage of this program. Whether you own a standard smartphone or one of Samsung's cutting-edge foldable devices, you are likely eligible to participate. Currently focused on smartphones, Samsung has hinted at the possibility of expanding the program in the future. This expansion could potentially include Galaxy tablets, smartwatches, and laptops. If realized, this would provide users with even more opportunities to recycle their old technology, helping them clear out unused gadgets while contributing to environmental sustainability. Samsung's initiative is not solely about convenience. It represents a significant step towards promoting sustainability and embracing the principles of the circular economy. By encouraging users to recycle their old devices, Samsung aims to prolong the life cycle of its products and reduce the environmental impact of electronic waste. Jong Ho-jin, vice president of Samsung Electronics Korea, emphasized the company's commitment to sustainability, expressing confidence that this program will enhance the long-term value of Galaxy products and support environmental conservation efforts. Looking to the future, Samsung plans to expand the Galaxy Easy Compensation Program to other countries. Although the company has not specified which countries will be next, this global expansion promises to bring the benefits of this program to a wider audience. For Samsung users worldwide, this means more opportunities to sell their old devices easily and securely, contributing to a more sustainable planet. Samsung's Galaxy Easy Compensation Program offers a fresh, user-centric approach to selling old smartphones. By providing a simple and transparent process, it allows users to sell their devices without the need to purchase a new one. With a strong emphasis on sustainability and user convenience, this initiative not only benefits Galaxy users in South Korea, but also holds the potential to make a positive environmental impact on a global scale. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. See you in the next one.